be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You can beat the world, you can beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself
standing in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
Cause you burn with the brightest flame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you can get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try?
Do it for your country, do it for your name.
Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name. Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong hanging on your chest.
You can be a girl, you can beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you can find yourself
Standing in the Hall of
Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the altar, wash away my shame. All I can say is holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah.
Okay, how is it? No music? No music. No music.
To your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get
Music? Music? Yeah? All right. Making music just for fun. Welcome back. Welcome back. And I think it's on my head. Thank you with the run. It's gone? Gone. Hold on.
Father had to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you.
Still gone?
The water didn't wake you.
Hold on.
And that cross couldn't break you.
Hold on.
Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you.
Yeah. let
You
me know.
deserve the praise.
Let me know how
Lead
the
me
mic
to your
sounds.
altar.
Let me know how the mic
Wash
sounds.
away
If we
my
are good,
shame.
music is off. We got our background music, and that is it. How we sounding? How we sounding? How we sounding? Music, mic's low? Come on. Let me listen. Let me listen. Let me listen. Hold on. Hold on. All right. How do we sound here today? Is the microphone working? How's it going? Mic is good? Check 1, 2. All right. We sound perfect, gang. Some of y'all got to check your ears, man. For real. You guys need some eardrums. Eardrum time. Anyway, welcome in. Welcome in. Hope you guys are well. Happy Tuesday. It's good to be back, man. Bank holiday. I almost forgot how to stream. I forgot how to set things up here. I don't know, man. I don't even know what I'm doing. What do I do with my hands? Oh, man. All right. Yeah, we're good. The stream's delayed like 5 seconds. All good. I'll wait for you guys to catch up. What's up, Energy? What up, Mr. Hart? What up, Michael? What up, Miss? Yeah, Dropout Traders here. Z Gamer. What's good? What's good? What up, Zebs? What up, Mr. Lopez? What up, Zyper? Yo. What up? What up? How y'all feeling today? What's up, YOLO? Hey, YOLO Trader is about to ban YOLO Trader. Holy. What's up, Kelvin? What up, Bear Berry? What's good? What's good? The Don is in the building. What up, the Don? Cheers, mates. Cheers, cheers. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's get the party started here today. It is Tuesday. It is November 12th, and we are back, man. It's a new week. Yesterday was a excuse me, USD bank holiday, so I'm not sure who traded yesterday, but I didn't trade at all yesterday. Let me send the Zoom link out in a sec. But yeah, that was it. Pretty much today starts my week. I began here in London session and just caught a beautiful bleeder there on gold. So let me just send the Zoom link out and we will rock and roll over here. Yeah. Who caught sells in London? Anybody? Anybody caught sells in London? Okay, Zoom link is out. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join the free Discord. Join it out. Join it now. Let me just send this. Hold on 1 sec. Zoom link. Bada bing, bada boom, boys and girls. All right, let's rock and roll here. Let me pray for y'all and let's get the day started. Father in heaven, Lord, I thank you for another day, Lord, another opportunity. Let us rejoice in it. Let us be glad in it. It feels good to be back with the TT family, Lord, around ambitious winners, Lord, who are looking forward to paving their way, Lord, and answering the call that you have for them, Lord. We thank you for the spirit of victory that dwells amongst this community, Lord. We thank you for all that you're doing. We know that all great things are gifts that come from above, so we honor you for it. We thank you for it, and we give you all the glory in advance for the 8-figure traders coming out of this community. So we thank you, Lord. We give you all the glory. I pray a blessing over your people in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen. Well, welcome in, welcome in. It is a new week, fresh start here. I'm ready to rock and roll. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I did take yesterday off, as I was saying, but I am back. London, we were back in first New York session. Let's give it a go here. So let me grab my tools. Where are they? Let me share my screen. All right, Zoomers, my bad. Forgot how to stream here. Boom, boom. Okay, cool. Can you guys see my screen? Zoom. Boom. Yeah. All right, perfect. All right, where the heck did Zoom? Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. Okay, sweet. Got my tools out. All right, we're ready to go here, man. It's been a couple days. My bad. I forgot how to live stream here. What up, George VDM? But anyway, it is Tuesday, right? It is November 12th. It is another day, another opportunity for us to be patient, to be disciplined, and just to be professionals, right? Moving towards that 8-figure mark. That's what we're shooting for, right? That's what we are praying for. So in order to get what we're shooting for and praying for, we need to be moving properly in that direction. Remember, God cannot steer a parked bus, right? We have to be making the right decisions on a day-to-day and let the rest flow as it may. So let's go ahead and do that here today, as we do every day. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's taking place here in the news today. So not much really happening here on the 12th. A little bit of Fed conversation going on later, but other than that, nothing too crazy here. Let's open up the week and see what we've got in store here, because I know tomorrow, which is going to be Wednesday, midweek, we have CPI coming in, so that should rock the markets here. We should have a big move here tomorrow on gold, and really any pair associated with the US dollar. As you can see, this is all coming in here at 8:30 tomorrow morning, New York session, so that should be pretty interesting. Then as we move towards Thursday, we're going to be having what we call PPI coming in. We also have unemployment claims coming in. Later on, we also have Powell speaking, right? So the Fed's going to be speaking again on Thursday. You also have this conversation going on, right? These are going to be happening later in the afternoon around power hour time. So big week here, like midweek, Wednesday and Thursday. And then Friday, we got retail sales and all that good stuff. So should be a pretty interesting week. We do have a lot of red folders coming in this week, which is always nice. And we should have some volume, man. Yeah. You know, we've ever since the elections, we've had a lot of volume, a lot of clean volume as well coming in, and I do look forward to continue to see that here. So let's go ahead and do a fresh top-down analysis now that we know we don't really have much to look out for here today. But you know, again, as we move into tomorrow and Thursday and Friday, we'll have some big stuff happening. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see what the technicals are looking like here, and let's do a fresh top-down analysis. All right. Cool. So let's talk about the daily time frame here. So this is gold daily time frame, right? So yesterday was a USD bank holiday, right? But we did end up just absolutely bleeding there yesterday. Probably a very tough day, being that there was no top wick on this current candle. But you know, all in all, we did create some sort of resistance here on gold, and next candle just drove down, right? And where did that candle drive into? Right into this support level, right? So we did fill the entire range. Right now you have this support level right here, which we closed. This current candle has broken the lows, and I would assume that we're going to be heading down into that support if we can get through whatever supports are now formed here on the lower time frame. So I do see a bit of a rejection here off of the daily candle. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like here on the 4 hour. So that's this 4 hour candle beginning to push back up now. So 4 hours is looking like it's trying to create some type of support here. Let's go ahead and mark off some supports to the left, and let's see where we're trying to respect, right? So let's take a look over here. Okay, so yeah, I think we came down into that major support, right? That middle one that we marked off, we kind of rejected off of it and then immediately start pushing back up, right? We're halfway through this current 4 hour candle here. I think if this guy does close back above the range, you do have a shot at moving back up here today. So there could be, you know, based off of the daily candle, the previous one here, closing right, this one right here, closing right at this support, there could be some sort of a rejection out of this zone here, right? And us kind of remain above that area. So very interesting to see what's going to happen with that. But all in all, I am open for buys and sells here today. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. So 1 hour candle, again, back to the 4 hour though, right? We are currently pushing up to create this top wick. I think if we break those highs, that's going to be a little bit more confirmation that buyers are beginning to take over here. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. This is going to be your 4 hour high. Let's get rid of all this, right? This is going to be resistance sitting here. You got support right here, and that's basically the range that we're currently in. So it looks like we just blasted off here 51 minutes ago, and just no bottom wicks right at resistance. So nothing really too crazy right there, but we are coming into this overall resistance level now. So if we are still going to respect the high there on the 4 hour, right? Because look, as long as this candle's high right here respects the previous candle's high, then at any time we can begin to move back down here, right? So if we do see that, we may see some type of fake outs here, right? Some type of, maybe a push up and a fake out, or maybe some type of fade position off of this move here, right? Maybe some sort of rejections to the top side. We don't get to really close above there, and then volume comes in here and we can maybe push down, right? So potential opportunity for that on like a 30-minute, 15-minute time frame here. But I am curious to see how we do react towards this resistance here on the 30-minute time frame. So it's also on the 15. I'm gonna hang tight. It's very, very choppy at the moment, and just wait and see if we can form resistance here. And if we can't, then I will look for some sort of like a range 2 buy above. You know, we are going to be breaking the 4-hour high, but we still are not breaking any daily highs, right? So we don't want to get too bullish too quick here and get faked out. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at. Yeah, that's it. Took sells in London, and now just waiting. Yeah, just waiting for the next best shot. Cool. So that's it. Let's see what we got below that support too. Yeah, look at that clean range coming down. It's got to be, yeah, look at that 100 pip range. So you'll find that everything's going to be coming up in 100 pips at this point. There was a time in our trading where we used to say 100 pips or nothing. We're back there. We are back. So yeah, man, so that's it. So this is pretty clean, you know what I mean? If we can kind of fake out up here, I'd be open to taking potential sells. This is a 150 pip range here, so no doubt open to that. Just gotta wait for the right confirmations here. Sweet. Cool. So yeah, sells, the sells that were taken were right here. So okay, so first sell I took ended up closing, right? So as price came up, it was starting to break its own high. I closed it to wait for a better shot, right? And then we got that next shot, broke the lows again, and just absolutely just melted here. So that was the trade in London session. I think it was a solid trade. It's basically exactly what we're looking for now. Some sort of like fade position off of this zone, or off of a zone, right? And a continued bearish move down here today. Yeah, money trade. I think a bunch of you guys took this trade too, right? There were multiple entries here, right? You had the fade entry, which was sitting right here, which was lovely. You also had the celery down. You also had the break onion. You had flip. You had break of previous or current there, and then you also had the celery. So you had a few different options here to take this position today, and I think it was a great move. Yeah, that was great. Yeah, we don't have too much volume right now. Yeah, that was it. Iman, you have to message me, bro. Message me on Discord. Yeah, message me and I'll have them take a look at it. Did you message me already? If not, send me a DM. What up, Nors? What up, Benjamin? What's goody? What's goody? Benjamin's in the house. Yeah. So that was good, man. So those are the couple different entries you could have taken there. Everything was playing out perfectly, right? Like this candle here closing back below the range. It was just money. You know, we wanted these sells here too, but obviously no top wick there. Yeah. Have I taken a top step payout? No. I'm about to build top step up to like $20,000. Yeah, I listened to a really good podcast this weekend, and it was some guy who's been working with Top Step for like the past like 7 years, and he had some good points. He really did. But one of the points he made was to really build your buffer, right? Like really build your buffer, because then you have an option, you know, every single month to take a payout if you want. Even if you had a bad month, you can still take a payout, being that you have that big buffer. So he was talking about building that buffer. I think I'm going to do that as well and build like a 10. I mean, that was my plan to begin with, but I'm going to even build it bigger. I'd like to build it to like 15, 20, even 25 grand, right? That way you can take out whatever you want when you want. And then I believe if they move you over to a live account, then you get to take that balance with you. So it's just a more long-term move, if that makes sense. Hey, by the way, gang, I just posted on my Instagram. So we're going to be doing 50K challenge account giveaways and 25K challenge account giveaways. All you have to do is go to my IG and let us know how the YouTube live streams have helped you. What are your biggest feedbacks? Comment on this post right here, and you will enter the chance for... Yeah, see, these are some real ones right here. You know, they didn't even have to. But yeah, if you guys want a shot to win a $50,000 challenge account or a $25,000 challenge account, go leave a comment here, leave a like and a comment, and we're gonna pick some winners out of here tomorrow. Yeah, we'll keep doing these fun giveaways like that. Yeah. Yeah, my IG is sitting right here. This is my Insta. Link the video, share the podcast. The podcast was... Let's link it. Podcast. ASFX. Right here. This one right here, man. This is
K a month.
Pretty solid interview from a pretty professional philosophy and approach. Something that, you know, I inspire to continue to have is that professionalism, right? That professional approach. But yeah, really good podcast to listen to. Yeah, one of the other points he was saying was treating your account like a level below it. So let's say you have a 100K account, using the rules of a 50K account. Or if you have a 150K account, use the rules of the 100K account. Right? So that way you have a less probability of messing it up. Right? Because we all mess accounts up. I mean, we're traders. Right? You make money, you lose money, you make money, lose money. So when you do that, you have a little bit of a different approach. And it's gonna, you know, just help to preserve your capital a little bit more. Yeah, that's funny, Sergio. Yep. Yeah, so no closures above here. We do have NY open coming up, so yeah, I would probably expect to move down, right? Let's see if we can kind of flirt at 26.14 here on the futures, whatever it is on your OANDA chart. Let's see how we flirt around with this 15-minute resistance, how we begin to react here, and then maybe, if not this candle, the next candle, we may be able to catch a fade. Oh yeah, I have a new setup here. I'm not all the way done with it, so yeah, I still got a few more things to do here, but the account with the clubhouse is only available during our subscription. No, once you have it, you have it. So you can trade it for the next 2 years. Zoom. Zoom music. Your wish has been granted, Andrew. Oh my god, hey, Zoom, I'm sorry. I didn't even pop the Zoom chat up here. What's good? What's good, fam? Clubhouse. Let's take a look here. Clubhouse coffee. Whoa. I like it. Sorry guys. Sorry. Oh my. You guys want me to turn up the mic? Let me listen here, man. I'm gonna put it on the microphone too to see it. You guys want me to turn up the mic? Wait. Let me listen here, man. I'm gonna put it on the microphone too to see it. That sounds pretty loud to me. I mean, I even have headphones on and I can hear it. Holy. AB Mike looking like Cameron in 2005. Dipset. Holy. Stop playing with him. AB Mike, don't play with that chinchilla. Yeah, I'll work on the microphone stuff. I got a new microphone. It doesn't sound better. I just spent like $250 on this thing. I thought it would be better than the old one. What do you think of this? Let's take a look, brother. Buys above, potential fake out, sells below. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, it looks good. That looks good. I might even being that it's NY open, and then if this candle begins to reject here, like pushes up and closes like really weak, I'll probably even be open to take a fade right there on the break of that low as the next candle opens up and drives down. Yeah, at least you see this candle here with no wick at the bottom. Right, we might come into that zone, but I haven't really gotten like a firm confirmation for the fade just yet, right? I don't want to just try and call the top here because we can continue pushing for sure. Sounds the same? Oh man, I'll have to return it. I'll bring the other one back. What's my PC specs? I don't know. You gotta ask TK that. TK knows better than me. London trade was good. Yeah, Billy, that was a good trade, man. Good trade. Good conversation there in London tonight as well. Very, very good. Very good stuff. Webinar this weekend was absolutely off the charts. I think I had like 12 or 15 people actually reach out to me about this past weekend's webinar. Absolute money, gang. I really hope that you guys took notes, that you really pay attention to that information because, man, oh man, that's the stuff that changed everything for me. Did I see the move yesterday? There was a bank holiday. Yeah, I actually didn't look at the markets at all yesterday. Not once. I was putting together some stuff here at the house and then I had to run out, and I actually didn't view the markets at all until Asian session. But typically when you have a bank holiday, what you're going to do is you're either going to range, right, the whole time, or you're going to drive without any like sort of like opportunities to enter. Right, I mean, there was like very rare opportunities to enter here. No top wick. I'm sure everyone was trying to call the bottom to try and catch buys on the way up, and it's just bad time to be in the markets on those bank holidays. Besides rejection at the resistance, what other factors do you look for in the fade? So, so take a peek here at this candle, right? You see how this low, see how it's very small? So when you start seeing these lows that are very small, what tends to happen is that's a sign that volume is starting to give out. Especially now, look, if this candle flies up, there's a lot of bullish volume. But like if this guy rejects, so you have a pretty big top wick, but a small little one down here. And then, like, let me draw it out here. So what it will typically look like will be something like this, right? So let's pretend that that candle now comes back down, closes like that. Usually what I like to see is the next one try and fill the wick, fail, and then break the low. And once that low breaks, at that point, you now have a high on this candle. right? And then a break of the low, and that volume coming in at 8:30, let's say, that'll typically do it. And we'll get a nice little push, most likely down into this zone here. And yeah, so those are another little piece that I look for when it comes to taking the fade. Those little smaller wicks and small bottom wicks and big top wicks on bullish candles. And then obviously it's the opposite if we're looking for, you know, buys. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Are these blue lights? Yeah, these are gunner. So these are gunner blue lights. I also have, oh yeah, these are all gunner here. Yeah, you see, so you see how you don't want to jump on it, right? We don't want to try and call the top. That's what every other trader is doing. We took time this year to develop edge when it comes to the fade. So that's why we're not in this yet, right? We really got to wait for those confluences to show up, and then we can attack. But who's been with us the whole year as we have really dialed in the fade position, sample sized it? We have an incredible record when it comes to the fade, and it's been a game changer for us this year. It really has. It was a nice little addition to the group of setups, and it really paid well. And you know, this is the first year really back for me taking a lot of impulse trades and things of that nature. So I think we've done really well. We've taken our time with it, and it's paid off. You know, and that's trading. Just taking your time with things and not trying to rush it, and develop it and make sure it's good. You know, make sure it's good so you can make money long term with it. The fade. Hey, bands counted up. Congratulations, brother. Congrats. Well expected. What's up, Rob Trades? Good morning, my friend. What's goody? Lack of motivation, of course, almost every day. But we can't run on motivation, right? We have to run on our daily habits. We have to run on our daily routines and our daily systems. We're always going to fall back to our daily routine. So if that daily routine is built for you to win, you'll fall back to it. You'll stay in line. You'll stay in rhythm, right? Even when you don't have motivation. But if you don't have the routines, if you don't have the systems in place, you know, then when that lack of motivation comes in, which, by the way, every couple days, you know, I mean, every day, motivation's like a shower. You need it daily, right? You can't run off motivation, right? Remember, successful people, right, they do things that unsuccessful people aren't willing to do. Now, it's not like they like doing it all the time. They just do it anyway. So motivation is, you know, it's not something it comes and goes, right? It comes and goes. So you really got to bank on your routines and your systems to keep you, you know, with one foot in front of the other. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome. Yeah, good work, bro. The bull, yeah, I still got the bull. I'm still kind of organizing. I got a time to eat sign coming in too, like a you know, one of those light up neon signs. So I got that too, but you know, just waiting for. See, I have a small window here. You know what I mean? It's my little spaceship. It's not that big. Unless I zoom out, I could always zoom out. I could always yeah, you see how now we have this longer top wick here? So this could run on us, right? But that's fine because I haven't gotten my confirmation yet, right? So that could run on me, and that's not a problem, right? Not an issue at all. The market doesn't owe me anything today. So what I need to see is I need to see the candle close, right? And if it has the factors that we mentioned earlier, which is a small wick, big wick here, rejection, makes sense, right? Volume coming in, 8:30, 8:15, break the lows, then I'm in there. But until that happens, you know, I got to sit tight, right? Because look, this thing can come down, go right back up. Yeah, motivation, yeah. I stopped counting on motivation many, many years ago. Because what happens if you're not motivated? Then you ain't gonna do anything. And what happens if you don't do anything? Then you don't make any money. And what happens if you don't make any money? Then your family don't have anything to eat. Right? So there, you know, when you run out of motivation, you know, you don't get a call and say, hey, I know you're unmotivated. We'll just, you know, provide meals for your family this week and pay your bills until you get motivated again. You know, that ain't how it works. The game don't give a rip. So you just got to stay disciplined, right? Stay disciplined. Otherwise, the game will eat you up. You know, stay disciplined in those routines. Let those systems keep you safe. The system is designed to help you win. Oh, this is gold. This is gold. It's just on the futures platform, but same deal. GC is gold. Yeah. Why is 820 820? That's when the commodity exchange opens. So that's like the commodity markets open. So you'll get a nice push typically at 820. So we'll see if we can get in on that, right? On the front end of 820 here today. Yeah, because if you break that low, I'll probably have a sell stop here. Discipline is the only bridge between you. Oh, yeah, I like that. W. So true. Your boy got YouTube Premium now. Bitcoin's at 88,000. I figured I'd spend some money. Inspiration, not motivation. Yeah, that's good too. Be inspired. All right, we'll see what happens here on this next 15-minute candle. 30-minute candle is going to remain open here for another 15 minutes. So we'll see what happens on this guy. It's currently closing doji-ish. So yeah, so we are beginning to see signs of struggle. Let's see if we can kind of move up and attempt to fill this wick here, right? And kind of pop up into these ranges and then possible sell stop on the re-break of this 30-minute low here. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, so if we kind of re-break the 30 lows here, we've probably got a good shot at ripping down to give this candle a bottom wick here. So we'll see what happens. We did nip the 4-hour high here, so that means we should keep pushing up, right? If we broke that 4-hour high, we shouldn't start breaking lows on the 30 again if we want to move bullish here. So that's where our entry is, or that's where my entry is, and we'll see what happens. Maybe around 820 we break the lows. Didn't break the 4-hour high on Noanda. Nice, nice. All right. Dues paid. What up, Daniel? What'd you do at the gym today, man? What'd you do? What'd you do? What'd you do, Ecom Dre? I want to do whatever you did. Hey, whatever Ecom Dre's doing tomorrow, I'm doing. Let me guess. Legs. Actually, we shouldn't really hit your legs so hard because you are equally proportioned, I must say. I seen you in the picture. Shoulders, holy. Yo, what up, Pablo? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good to see you, brother. YOLO Trader is about to get banned by YOLO Trader. It's coming. You ever seen that one happen, AV Mike? You ever seen YOLO Trader ban YOLO Trader? Holy, for spamming? Stops are a little too big. Yeah, they're getting a little high here. So yeah, if we push up a little further, they're looking like 50 pips now. So I'm gonna wait for the 30 closure here. So I'm gonna delete that, wait for the 30, and then maybe the 30 closes nice and weak here. Like that's the main time frame I want to see this on anyway. We closed weak on the 30 and then break the lows there. How's the competition going? We'll get an update here at I think 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. right? 9 or 10, I forget. What up, Dean? Ranges are massive. Oh, I thought we moved bearish for a second. Yo, Bobby, what's up, brother? How are you, man? Energy, how you doing? Johnny Escobar's in the building. Alright. Yo, Diogo Escobar's in the building. Let's go. My man looking too fly over here. Alright, alright. What up, Bryce? Hey, good to see your faces, man. OGH. Ecom Dre. What's up, AJ? How are you guys? AB Mike and Hazy. Johnny Gems, how we feeling?
Yo, what's up, my man?
Hold
What's
on
going
a
on?
second. Let me adjust the... Doing great, bro. Doing great. How are you?
Amazing, bro. Blessed and highly favored. Grateful to be here.
How was your rest?
It was great. Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah.
What about you, bro? Yeah.
Oh, it was great, man. I couldn't sleep. I was too fired up.
Nice, love it.
Yeah. I woke up at like 1 something.
Okay, nice. You were in London, right?
You know it, bro. You know it. Caught a nice little blooper.
Blooper?
There
Awesome.
he is, Johnny Gems.
Yo, what's up, chat? How you done?
How you doing?
Let's
Am
go,
I
let's
gonna take more
go.
trades today? Yeah. If we get more
Next
trades,
Tuesday.
definitely. I'm ready, man. I just had a sell stop. I deleted it though.
Traders trade.
Traders trade. Johnny Bravo. W. So Comics Open is here. It looks like we're gonna move up for the open here. I'm gonna wait on the 30 and I will be right back.
It was pop and chat. Y'all know the vibes of the day. To be patient and disciplined to the plan. Let's get to it. That's the work, right? I mean, that's the work. That's the job here today, to be disciplined and patient and take one good trade. Yep. Yes, sir. Bands count. I'll be trading with patience here today. Yeah, patience, your friend, Jorah. What's up, Jorah? Yo, Ecom Dre, what's up, my man? What's up, Conrad? What's up, Bryce, Diogo, Alex, Daniel, J Mac, J Coop, Mr. Kraft, what's good? Zyper, what's up, my man? Yeah, it's good to be back. It's good to be back. I know Monday we had that bank holiday. Happy Veterans Day, everyone. All the veterans out there. But yeah, it's good to be back here. Was missing it Monday. Yeah. What's up, Dominic and Yanosh? How you guys doing, chat? How's everyone feeling? Great, let's go. Blessed. Love it. Any advice you give for someone like me who's 21 and started working my first job and either don't have the time to trade or got no energy to trade after work? Yes, good question. I mean, I would just say get a job that doesn't get in the way of trading. And you say you have no energy, and I think you need internal motivation. Internal motivation, meaning, and you need it needs to come from within you. So I think you need to understand your why you want to trade, and yeah, don't. I would say try to get a job that is outside of your trading time, so you can really focus on trading when that time is here, and then allow your why to give you that motivation, man, to continue on in the journey. That's what I would say. Yeah. Like Jim Rohn says, right? You want to use your 9 to 5 to make a living, but then your 5 to 9 to make a fortune. So yeah, you got to have time to, work on your other skills, other investments, right? And you don't want to be super tired and knocked out for that as well. So, I mean, I'm sure you're going to be tired, right? I mean, that's totally normal, but you got to continue to work when you are tired, and if you're trying to change your life, right? Nice. Daniel, just leaving the gym. How was it, bro? Atta boy, Daniel, way to be disciplined, bro. Continue on with that habit. That abs, nice. Let's go, Alistair. $200 from passing my 50K. Let's go.
W. Yeah, man. And also, like, 21 and you have no energy, that is a little concerning to me, right? 21, you should have lots of energy, brother. So you're probably you do have lots of energy, but something's sucking the energy away. So you got to find out what it is. Most 21-year-olds, they're either doing drugs, they're drinking too much, they're playing too much video games, things of that nature. So those are all going to be energy suckers from your life, right? They're hanging around the wrong crowd, they're hanging with the wrong people. So check your circle and check your activity, because at 21 years old, you should not be running. You shouldn't be low on energy. You feel me? Like I'm 34. I wake up at 2 in the morning every day, ready to roll. Right? So there's something there that's taking energy away from you that you have to steal back. What up, FX Phil? Good advice though, what John gave you as well, about finding a job and trying to build something around trading, for sure. Yeah, try and find real dopamine. Real dopamine will energize you.
Yeah, and I like how you're looking for a job too. I mean, because it doesn't have to be a job, but it's important to have some income, some sort of income coming in, right? As you're learning to trade, you never want to trade out of survival mode or in a place of neediness. So I do like that you're getting a job. I think you just need to understand your why, right? Like Nick said, find out what's draining your energy and understand your why. Your why will fuel you. There's times where I don't want to get up either or do anything, but because of my why, because I understand my why, that forces me and drives me to show up to hit my goals. Wags, my man, how we feeling?
If you're not placing trades, then just message Top One's customer service. They'll take care of it. Yeah, they'll see that you're not taking trades, that it's glitching, and then they'll take care of it. 74 pip breakout.
And Juicer here, bro. The hell?
What up, Edson? Yo, yo. Drinking more water, not yeah. There you go. Yeah, drinking more water, man. More water, oxygen, all that sunlight. When was the last time y'all took a couple deep breaths? Couple deep breaths. Rafi, where's Rafi at? Rafi's here?
What's up, Rafi?
No,
Rafi in the
Rafi's not
building.
here. Oh, Rafi is here.
Yes.
Oh, holy, oi.
Get it?
Oh, now he's here. Now I see him. Damn, I didn't notice you before with that. How you doing, Rafi?
What's going on, my brother?
There
Donnie
he is.
James.
Rafi.
How we
brother?
doing?
What's up, my man?
Man, we're doing fantastic, man.
Welcome to the
I went to the gym and man, I was mean to the gym today.
fun, right? Fun time.
Good.
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
good.
It was good. It was good.
Beautiful.
How's the weather? Hot?
Dude, it's really hot. Like, look at this. I'm sweating, bro. And I got the AC going on, and I'm still sweating.
That brother's sweating.
Yeah. It's good, man. It keeps you burning, you know?
Little Bali vibes.
Facts, bro.
So you're traveling
Always burning calories.
out of Bali soon?
May next year.
Next year. Okay, cool.
Next year. Yeah. Ready to
Little travel.
do something. Yeah. Ready to go back and do the word.
You just look
Nowadays.
different. Hey, chat, does Rafi not look different? It looks like
Yeah,
he
look,
done
he's got a light
meditated.
over him.
It looks
got
like
a
he
light over
he
him,
had like
too.
some ultra meditation going on. I don't know, something like never before.
I know, man. That's the power of the Father, and
Wow,
man,
I
it's
could
just
see
crazy.
it, bro.
I mean, tapping into
too.
some good things over here, man.
Amen, brother. Amen.
Yeah,
Bro, facts.
Looking refreshed. Praise God.
feel good, feel refreshed, feel protected, feel stronger, feel. Yeah, I'm telling you, man.
Amen.
I've never felt. You feel like meditation helps to calm you down or whatever, but you always have that fear. You know what I'm saying? Like you always have that like level of doubt that kind of creeps in at times. Right now, I just feel like I have a whole army.
Praise God.
With, it's like, yo, I ain't no scared no more.
Amen. Praise God, chat.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All my believers, we
Amen.
got another one.
Yo, I'm gonna tell you this. and
W,
I hope,
Rafi.
People here,
Proud of you, man.
people here take it as a sign. Like I was raised as a Catholic and just very misinformations and stuff, and I basically grew up kind of like being scared of praying and being scared of God because I was told that if you don't do that, you'll be punished.
Mm-hmm.
So, pretty much my whole life, I was just like, what do I believe in? And I started like, worshiping some of the things, like I got into like Buddhism and I got into all this stuff. Like I tried all, and it felt like it was never enough. You were always chasing something. You knew that, or I knew that was not enough, and I kept chasing, and then I fell into the trap that maybe I need money, maybe I need this, and I was with the Major League Baseball player. I was this in money, I was in the spotlight. Nah, that's not it. Came to Bali, I was doing all the healing, all the things, and nah, that's not it. There's something else. Until I got chosen, man, and just like that, everything changed. The lights of the baseball field just got on, and everything is clear now.
That's amazing, bro. W.
I love that, bro.
Praise Jesus. Victory.
Yeah.
Hell lost another one. Rafi's free. Rafi's free.
Again,
Yes, sir.
he
Yes, sir.
continues to work, man. He's a living God.
Praise God. All I can say is holy. Yeah, man. Yeah. So we'll see what happens with our fade here. Fadey. Looks like we're moving up a little bit. We'll see if we start to break here. 4 hour big push up.
Yeah, bro.
€50 a day? Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, anything is possible, man. Anything. You can make 500,000 euros in a day. Anything is possible. It's just, can you get to that level? You know, that's where the work comes in. So, can you do it? Yeah. Are you gonna do it? That's the big question. You know, can you do it? Absolutely. But will you do it? Is the big one. Yo, why do I feel like this music's so loud? Is it just me?
I was gonna say it's kind of quiet for me.
Okay, I think I just have my headset up. Let me make Zoom a little bit louder though. Zoom. All right, that should be good. But yeah, man, anything's possible. You know, if you're willing to put in the work and you're willing to, you know, let time take its course, then you can pretty much do anything. As long as you're willing to put in the input to get the output or the outcome, you'll get it. It's just time and effort, time and effort, time and effort. The big two things that no one wants to put in: time and effort. So, you know, if you're not willing to put that in, how can you expect to succeed? If you can imagine it, that's right. Diogo, how we feeling, bro? How we feeling, man? How we feeling? Where'd Zoom go? Oh, my bad, boys. That's where Zoom went. Daniel, what's goody? How you doing? Let me get Zoom back, my bad. Boom, there we go. All right, so yeah, nothing really here on gold yet. Just chilling. Rafi, have you been trading much?
Well, today, yeah, I got that. Last week, when I came back from Thailand, I can't remember. I can't remember if it was the day before, the day after. Yeah, I was able to get a massage.
Ooh.
And I took this trade right before I got in. And yeah, like 2 or 3 trades. Not that much actually.
Okay, nice.
You know, I just like, for me, I am very particular with that. Like if I'm really busy and if I'm doing a lot of things, I still look at price, but I get myself out of the game, you know? I'm in the bench. I'm just watching.
Just chilling.
I'm not, because I just feel like I'm not in tune, you know what I'm saying? Like that's just me. Yeah. And I was traveling. I've been doing some things here, and yeah, it's just like, if I don't feel like my head is 100% in it, I'm not gonna be risking my soldiers, you know?
Yeah. Definitely.
I always tell the guys, like, yo, think about this. If you're the captain and you are gonna go to war and you know that these guys are gonna overpower you, are you gonna go and risk their lives and know that you have no chance? Or are you gonna see that, you know, we're pretty even. I trust my guys. I know they're good. Let's go and see, take our chances. That's
We got a shot.
that's how it is in here. Like every dollar that you have is a soldier that you're risking in war. You don't know what's gonna happen, so gotta save these guys.
Yeah, they're. Hey, yes, sir, Daniel. Blessed and highly favored as well. Someone's cheersing to that out there. Cheers. All right, so we are getting rejection. So keep in mind, we're still looking to see how we react towards this area here, right? Nothing has really changed. Just the time frames have changed, right? So we wanted to see how the 15 would react. Nothing. Want to see how the 30 would react. Nothing, right? Just the overextended breakout here. And now we're paying attention. See the big top wick here, small bottom wick. So we're continuing to pay attention here. So just gotta wait a little longer. You only have 150 pip stops. It's no big deal. It's light these days. Shelly, how we doing? Oh, Johnny Gems. Did I mute you? Sorry, bro.
Oh yeah, you're chilling.
How you doing?
How you doing?
You missed the pasta over in London session tonight. Last night.
Did I?
Yeah.
Magnus eating pasta.
We had some
Pasta.
pasta.
Saucy one, bro.
Some pasta.
Really saucy one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice, bro. Yeah, it's bulking season.
It's bulking season. Got the pasta. That pasta.
That pasta out there. What sauce did you guys do, Rafi?
Hey, it's a green sauce, man. Green one.
Gotcha.
We did the
Green
Fibonacci
pasta.
Fibonacci Alfredo. How you doing?
Yeah.
Fibonacci sauce. Nobody knows nothing about that.
What's up, Shelly? Yo, Shelly, I love that. Let's get it.
Shelly was popping. Where the pasta? Where the pasta?
Yo, which trade you guys take in London?
We took a blader. We took this guy right here.
Nice fade.
A little fadey.
It's like a celery too.
Yeah, and the celery. There was multiple entries. You had the fade, you had the onion, you had the celery.
Right.
You had the
Damn.
lettuce, tomatoes, onions. No, I'm just kidding.
What was this, 15?
This was a 15-minute time frame, yep.
Nice, bro. Good job.
So ES has been a pair that's been I've been watching. We're not getting serious just yet or anything like that, you know what I mean? Just chatting. Nothing too serious, but been liking this pair a little bit more than the NASDAQ, to be honest with y'all. Just been low-key watching, studying, taking mental notes.
ES looks clean.
Yeah. S&P.
That.
Yes, I got the pasta strategy going on this one too.
Yo, you got a new album?
Yo,
Album?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Coach
yeah.
Carter said you got a new album.
Yeah. We're working on the album right now. Clubhouse, the Clubhouse soundtrack.
Oh.
Just wait on it.
wait on it.
Full burger setup. All right, let's go back to Goldie here.
Yo, Chad, anyone ever trade
There we go.
AUD? Who trades AUD in the futures chart?
Okay. AUD?
AUD?
What pair is that?
Australian? I don't know.
Stop. What's that?
Aussie US dollar.
No, I'm sure a lot of
I
people do.
think. AUD, yeah. That was it. Because we can trade it with futures. I'm looking at another pair. Trade during Asian time, so I don't know.
Little AUD.
How you like it, Diogo?
It's very slow, man.
Looks slow.
Yeah.
That's like a beginner pair, you know?
Literally, yeah.
Yeah, I just want another pair to look at for Asian sesh.
AUD was the pair that made me want to trade. I won 300 bucks. 350 bucks. I was sitting at Barnes & Noble. I looked at Anna. I said, honey, we're going to be rich. Not just rich, we're going to be filthy rich. Yeah. And then it's been a wild ride since. And then I lost all my money for the next 2.5 years.
And 3 years later, it
Had to
happened.
and then yeah, and then 3.5 years after that, boom. Boom. Dream struggle victory.
Because first you got to spend a good amount of time losing money. Then you got to spend a good amount of time not making any money and staying at the break-even level. And then you can start making some growth.
You see, first you got to learn, and then you got to earn.
I think those are the stages, right? You just a losing trader, and then you're a break-even trader, and then you're a winning trader.
Yeah, you get all fired up, and then you lose all your money for the next couple months or years, depending on how quick you can become responsible, and then you start to make it all back.
Yep.
It's a lovely process. Kind of sucks in the middle of it, not gonna lie. It's a little frustrating, but as long as you have a good perspective, then you're good.
Oh yeah. The break-even one can be a little annoying, but hey, like Nick says, that's the light at the end of the tunnel. So when you're at that break-even stage, you're legit just right there. You just gotta keep pushing. That's it. At least, sorry, it's so true, right? That's what most traders are going through. Yeah.
Don't you analyze the same time frames as each other? Example, you talk about how the lows on the 1530, but not the daily lows. So I already know where they're at, you know. So when I'm doing my top-down analysis, I already know where they are. So I already know that they're down here. These are the daily lows. Those are the 4-hour lows, right? So now we're just seeing, hey, if we're in this downtrend here, right, could we potentially move back down to retest those daily lows? That's what this whole move is based off of. Right, so even though it doesn't seem like we're paying attention to it, we're kind of in this downtrend here, right? And when we take a sell here, if we take a sell there, what we're looking to do is we're paying very close attention to those daily lows, right? And our idea here would be, can we retest support, right? And then potentially even break the daily lows. So that would kind of be the idea. So the daily time frame is heavily, believe it or not, in the mix here. Yeah. So I always have all the time frames locked in the back of my mind.
Yeah, the best way to know if your lower time frame ranges are good is to match them or look at them compared to the higher time frames, right? And if your lower time frame ranges make sense with higher time frame candles, then I think that's straight fire.
Yeah, you gotta just put it together. It's gonna take a lot of consistency, showing up every day to be able to understand how to put all the candles together like that. Hey, we're doing 50K account giveaways, 25K account giveaways right here. All you gotta do is comment on this post if you guys want to get down. Comment on this latest post I just recently posted. That's the Instagram account, and just comment, answer the question. There's a question in there, and we would love to hear your answer. Seriously, would love to hear it. So place a comment, give it a like, and yeah, we're gonna pick the winners tomorrow. Couple $50,000 accounts, couple 25K accounts. What's up, Hunter? How are you, brother? Good morning, good morning. What up, Chala? Chala's in the house. What's good? What's good? Chala, we are setting this up, brother. Are you ready to come to the US of A? Are you ready, bro? Johnny Gems is ready. It's confirmed. He is ready to take the trip to India and do a week in the life of Chala, and Chala's gonna do a week in the life of Johnny Gems. It's going down.
I got a camera. We can get this
going
film and recorded,
down.
brother.
We're gonna record both sides. We're gonna send a videographer out with Johnny Gems, and when Chala arrives here, he will arrive in company of someone to document his journey. And me. I'll be there too. We'll vlog both ends of it, both sides.
Chala, tell your fam to get ready for some gems. Gotta put them on game.
Chala, is your family ready for Johnny Gems? Is
I don't think so.
Is he? He's gonna document the whole thing. What happened to Sam? Sam actually cashed out a couple $1 million on a trade in Bitcoin, and he just sailed off, man. He's living on some extravagant island right now, and he's had it with trading. He's gonna live off his profits from the multi-million-dollar move that he made, man. He just said peace. He said, I'm gone, and he was just out of here. So Sam's good. He's worth about 50, 60 million right now. Yeah. Some wild stuff. So we're just little guys now.
He's trolling.
No, I'm just kidding. Sam's doing good, man. Sam's doing good. He was on London session, like maybe two and a half weeks ago. So he's doing good. He'll pop in here and there.
That was not 2 weeks ago.
You know, he 2 months ago.
Sure.
He's doing good though. I think he's pretty happy that we got a new president here, because he knows the potential. So I think he's pretty excited.
I have a feeling Sam might come back, honestly.
Sam's just waiting for volatility, that's all. He's just waiting for the volatility. How to add to the journal sheet, break even. I don't usually, I just put zeros. So anytime I have a BE trade, I just put zeros, like right here. Boom, boom, boom. All right, man, look at this. So the reaction here is we are looking like we want to close below, but we still got 9 minutes here. So we still got 9 minutes left, and we've got to wait. Let's count up the gold bars in Rafi's basement here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How rich are we now? Holy.
Yo, for real, dude.
Who's got
You
Bitcoin?
see the other side, like over there, there's more. You just see this little side.
In front of you too, right? There's more.
Oh yeah.
He's just sitting in the middle of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely moves on BTC, man. Nobody knows nothing. Yeah. Hey, Rafi, were you at the webinar this weekend?
Yeah, bro, that was
nice.
fire.
Dope. Yeah, I honestly didn't even get to see who was there. I kind of just
you were in the zone, bro.
Just let it rip.
You were in the zone. My guy was in the zone.
I probably could have kept going like another hour or two.
Oh, I could have stayed for another hour or two, bro. It's like time just, that's when you know that time is an illusion. You know, like you are so in the zone, you are just getting all these gems, and it's just like, whoa.
Yeah. Yep.
For real.
Yep.
Yeah, I could have kept listening as well. Maybe
Yeah,
make it 2
man.
hours now.
I think each webinar we did could like have the potential to change one's entire life, right? Like if they're in the right season at the right moment and they hear the right thing, like man, there's just such straight up like information in there that if you just apply it as simple as it can be applied, you're gonna win. You're gonna win over time.
100%, man. And you know, some people probably heard it, but I feel like it's all about the delivery and how you deliver the message, man. It just hits different. You could read the same thing on a page, but the delivery is something that makes it all, you know? That's what, you know, knocks the door on you.
Yeah.
You can hear like the passion inside him, you know, in his voice and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Preaching.
I heard that
My guy
too.
was preaching.
Right.
We were ripping, dude. We were ripping. We had a lot of information in a short period of time. Fades,
Yeah, man. Nick's just a savage, bro. Like he's always been like this, Nick. Like that's why I just knew, even though he didn't have results in life, like I still knew. I felt that energy from him. Like, yo, I gotta follow this dude right here. Like as a young kid, I still knew I could feel his energy, even though he maybe wasn't getting those results. Like as you know, when you were first starting out, Nick, but I could feel that energy, and I just knew it was only a matter of time, right? But yeah, Nick's always been like this, bro. Honestly. I've seen this kid put the work in, bro. Like he would never be home at all. I remember being a young kid. I've never seen Nick home. When I see Nick, he was reading a book, or he was on a call. He was going over his contacts. I mean, this guy's always working. He's just a different breed.
Everyone who knows me knows I stay strapped with some sort of personal growth and development book all day, every day. No matter what, I always had a book with me. Always. Because you never know those little pockets of time that you have that you can squeeze in to read.
Chad, I'm talking about like a decade ago, like 2010. This man was hungry as hell for success.
Still am, man. Still am.
Passion, yeah.
I don't think I've ever been this hungry. We hungry, baby. We hungry. The hungry dog eats.
Now with consistency, I think you raised or achieved a new frequency. So.
Nah, I already told you guys.
More hungry now.
I already told you guys a while back. Like, I feel like definitely I have leveled up in some capacity. Just in thought process, I think.
Yeah.
Just different.
You've achieved that Napoleon Hill frequency, bro.
Like, you know, like I always thought, well, self-talk and journaling and, you know, reading your affirmations and all that stuff, I thought it worked, but now I know it works. Like, does that make sense? Like, you know, I thought, you know, okay, I can ask God for something, and if it lines up with his plan, that, you know, maybe he'll give it to me. Now I know he will, because it's just been so evident in my life, right? So that brought me to a new level of consciousness, to the fact that I don't think God can do it. I don't hope God can do it, right? I know he can do it, right? And I believe it fully now, to the point where it shall be done, right? And it keeps getting done. And it's not by my might nor by my strength, right? But by the Spirit goes the Lord, right? So it's always, all these good things come from above. It's just, I'm just a vessel. I'm just a humble vessel, man, that just seems unworthy, but if I'm chosen, I'm grateful to be used. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm super humble. I don't even feel worthy of being chosen, but if it is, then I'm humbled by it. And you know, the Lord said, who shall I send, right? Send me. I'll go. I'll be faithful. I'll be persecuted for you. It's fine. He gave me the life anyway. Hey?
Amen.
Money getting bigger.
Oh,
Yeah, this is always the guy I think of. We hungry. He's eating like grapes in the back of the mansion. Too Fast, Too Furious. We hungry, man. We hungry. It's the best. One of my favorite movies, man.
Tyrese.
We hungry.
I love Tyrese, bro.
He's like, hey, you're forgetting to give me something. Remember his cigar cutter? He's like, man, why you trying to take this guy's cigar cutter?
That was my favorite. Too Fast, Too Furious.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That was my favorite. The Tokyo one was really good too, even though that didn't have like any of the main dudes in it.
Yeah. 1 John 5:14, amen, brother. With confidence. With confidence. I'll take my cutter back. Hey, we need George to get up here and do that dude from Batman. That was scary identical.
Ooh.
Scary identical. That dude Bane or whatever his name is.
No way. George, you're gonna do that when you come up
George, I
here.
didn't know that you had such talents and abilities, bro. Yo.
George, would you please come to the principal's office?
George, report.
Do that, what's it called, Nick? What's his name?
Whose name? Adam
never mind.
Sandler?
DJ Khaled, what?
I'm in a buy? No, I'm not in a buy. No. So 1 hour candle looks like it actually pumped back up here, right? So we're not really doing too much here. We're just trading now in this range. So there's not too much happening. So you got the hour candle closure here too. 30 seconds. Yeah. Tyrese, that's right. $30-minute celery? Probably not. Probably not. Not until this my 4 hour close is bullish. Oh, I ghosted you on Discord. Uh-oh, bro. Hey, boy, you see how many people I have already in today's chat? They're like, yo, I hit you up on Discord. I hit you up on Discord. I hit you up on Discord. I have, let's see. I usually run through them, but I have 518 messages here. So you gotta, you know,
Try harder.
knock a little harder, yeah. Yeah. If I don't respond and it's a day or two, trust me, you're lost in the sauce unless I really like remember to get back to it. So don't worry, hit me up again. That way you pop up to the top. Yeah. Yeah, hit me up there though so I can help you out, you know what I mean? Yo, Stephen B's in the house.
That's Stephen B.
Stephen B. So, alright, so you have the 1 hour closure here, right? We did close above. The 4 hour candle did break the previous candle highs here. This 30-minute candle though did close resistance, right? So we do have we have a resistance sitting right here, and then we have our overall, you know, zone here. So what I'm looking for really is a range to buy above this zone here. So what that means is if we can get candles to, you know, maybe come down here, retest the zone, and then stay above the zone, then I'm going to look to take my buys, right? But not until then, right? So I'm going to need some sort of a move down here, a support to form, and then I'd be open to taking buys here, right? To fill that wick and fill this range. Other than that, it can shoot right up here and I'll just let it go. Trading with Dan in the house. Where do we make a comment for the giveaway? You have to go to my Instagram account. So go to my IG right here, and then just comment on the new post. Let's hear your feedback on the question. Yeah, we did. I think we've given away like almost like 750,000 now on 2 pictures. I think more than that. Yeah. Yeah, so that's my account right there. Do I trade similar to Raja? Yeah, I do. I am a market fluidity member. I've learned from Raja mainly over the years. And yeah, we trade pretty similar. I think my style is a little bit more conservative. You know, Raja's a machine here, so like I like to wait for a little bit more confirmations than he does. Sometimes he'll go in impulsively where I won't, but other than that, we're pretty much similar traders. Yeah, welcome, my friend. Welcome. I have a picture of George in a Batman costume. Holy. Send it. Send it in the chat. What has Daniel done? What up, Ricky? Good morning, bro. It's early over there, huh? He's busy. He's busy. No Batman? Ah, man. I guess we're not going to be able to see the Batman stuff today. Yeah, so let's see what happens here. Again, if we remain above this zone here, right? Range 2 buys, and this is pretty good, but we're going to need some, or I'm going to need, you know, y'all can obviously trade the way you trade, right? But I'm going to need some sort of support here, right? And if we can get that, then I want to take my buys. If not, then we may close below, right? And if we close below, then I'm definitely open for potential sells here to move back down. Yeah, it's daily time frame. So we'll see. We'll see. Again, keep in mind that the daily did close right at support here. Yeah, on yesterday's candle, right? So we attempted to fill this range. We did fill about like 75% of it, but we did reject right off of there. So, you know, I am still open for buys here today. It's just got to be confirmed with that range too, which we might be getting here. Yeah, we might be getting it. So to save myself from any sort of a fake out, I want to wait for support to form and then buy off that support. All right, and then see if we can keep going.
$15 doesn't really look the best.
15, yeah, 15's all right. I'd rather see this form. So I'd rather see, so let's say this 30-minute candle can close up either weak or bullish. I'd rather take it off of that one because that leads us into 930. Or if this 15-minute candle can close bearish, right, kind of like the way it looks now, then break the highs. Then I might be interested there. But I want to wait for 915 or 930 because that's most likely when the volume's going to come in here.
Right.
All right, I'll be right back.
No Batman? Damn, George. Well, I'm gonna ask you anyways when you get here. Well, Well, I think about the 15 support. Yeah, I agree with Nick. I would prefer that celery pattern because that range, there's a resistance pretty close to that support, so the range isn't that big. Maybe like a 20 pip range. I mean, it's all right. It's okay. But I think the celery pattern would be a way better confirmation.
Yo, YOLO asking here, like, what's the word of the day? I'm gonna say mental discipline. Because when you have mental discipline, now you are working on your willpower. There are some things that you don't want to do, or there are things that you feel like you want to do that you shouldn't be doing. So when you start actually strengthening that muscle, you're gonna be able to see that your discipline overall gets a lot cleaner and a lot stronger too. So mental discipline. And how do we do that? Okay, well, you have cravings for cake? Don't do it. You don't want to go to the gym? Show up. You don't want to drink water? Have the water. It's just that one thing that's going to make you make the right decision. Mental discipline.
Facts, bro. So facts. Doing what you gotta do, yep.
You cannot be disciplined if your mind isn't disciplined. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's the thing that I tell my athletes. It doesn't matter how hard you work, man. You can have the hardest and the best work ethic, but if you're not disciplined, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
Very true.
Yeah, I work hard, I go to the gym. Yeah, but you eat like shit. So then you're not disciplined with your nutrition. You know what I'm saying? It's like your body needs to be fueled the right things. So yeah, you go and kill it at the gym, but you're not eating the right things. You're not being disciplined. Yeah, you show up every day, but you're not being disciplined. You gotta be disciplined on both. Mental discipline, that's the word for the day.
Love you. Sebastian. Mental discipline, I love it. Yeah, you need that.
Such a simple thing, but it makes a difference.
Oh, yeah. Yep, very true, Magnus. Yep, we don't get the results we want, right, in trading if we don't be disciplined to the plan. None of this stuff works unless we're disciplined to what we have to do. Gotta be disciplined.
Okay, so you're disciplined, you're patient, you're focused, but then there is an error that causes you now. Okay, so you are all of those. You need to probably explore your emotional management. There's something there that is triggering you, your human behavior pretty much. That's gonna be the thing that you're gonna have to explore.
Mental discipline. W. That is 2 words. Someone said, yeah, that's 2 words. So I think I need to make my camera a little higher because my desk could still go up more. Your boy's standing now.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, you walking?
No, I'm not walking, but I am standing.
Not yet, not yet.
How come you don't turn your Zoom camera on again? Oh, shit. Yo, Ecom Dre, bro. I'd get with a new funded company, bro. Yeah, screw that one. I'm sorry, I don't know which one you're trading with, but yeah, you need you need to like the rules that the firm has, whichever one you're trading with. Oh, yeah, whoever that is in the chat, yeah, get with a new funding company, man, or trade your own capital. Okay, TK, got you. Yo, what's good, Ricky, my man? What's up, bro?
Yo, this thing's lit. Damn, I gotta fix the camera though. Yeah. We'll fix it. 15 did close. Oh no, not yet. My bad. Closure coming up. 1 minute. Is this a Coca-Cola shirt? Yeah, they paid me to wear this today. Like they paid Eminem 1.8 million to endorse Kamala. They paid me a little sum to endorse Coca-Cola. Disappointed, eh? Disappointed.
He can't. I think it was his clone, bro. Honestly.
Whoa, what?
Oh wait.
Talking about, bro?
Never mind.
What you
No
talking about,
comment.
Willis?
Forgot.
Yeah, pretty much just technical analysis, bro. Pretty much. Yeah, we use ranges. We use higher time frames to point us in the direction. Lower time frames for the setups and entries. And other than that, just using ranges and basically what we understand about how to read candlesticks. Yeah. Let's check ES2. So what do we got? So the 15-minute candle closed here. It closed. Yeah, it's not the greatest close. I think I want to wait on this 30 closure and see how we do from here. We got 14 more minutes left on it. We're not seeing the best price action here, so I'm just gonna wait. Let's check ES though. So does anyone know how ES works? Let's take a look at ES. Let's do a sell position or a buy position here. So one contract is $10 here on ES. Got it. Cool. So same as gold. 1250, yeah. I thought it was like a commission. 1250. What's up, Sam the man? How you feeling?
What's up, Sam the man?
I'm using the platform I'm using is Top Step X today. $100 people in the clubhouse. W. Shout out to the clubhouse. Hey, if you guys are new, I know we had some new people join the clubhouse this weekend. Highly recommend you guys go in and study the webinars. So all the webinars that we've done up until this point, I think we've done about 6 or 7. Highly recommend doing yourself a favor, blocking out some time and really going from one all the way, to the last one there. The first one all the way into the last one. Highly recommend it. You will jumpstart your trading like never before if you really get in there and just begin to lock in and pay attention. Yeah. Trust it. Yeah, we got some familiar names in the clubhouse too this weekend. No, I didn't take a payout from Top Step yet. Nope. So in the interview I listened to this weekend, the guy said something pretty interesting, right? He was like, "Yo, look, unless you absolutely need the money, don't take a payout on your XFAs." So obviously some people would disagree with that, right? But if you don't need the money, right, then you can build that buffer. So one of the things he was encouraging people the most was to build the buffer, right? Build it up to 10K, 15K, 20K, even 30K. That way you have that big buffer and you never put your account at risk. And then once you begin to move over to an actual live account, they will transfer that balance, right? So you'll now have that balance in your live account. I would still maybe take a payout, here and there, but I think my main focus is going to be stacking 550K accounts, 750,000, and just building the buffer on those to the point where, in mid quarter one, late quarter one, we're able to do some damage. So that's kind of my plan. ES moves way cleaner than NQ. Yeah, I've been watching ES a bit here, so not too bad. Goldie trying to break the highs here. So we got 9:30 coming in 10 minutes here. So let's see how we do at 9:30. And then that's probably going to be my ticket in if there's any opportunity. London session trade. Oh, where'd my bookshelf go? It's still here. It's still here. It's just on the other side now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think another thing he said in that podcast was treat the 150K account like it's a 50K account.
Yeah.
So that's kind of what we were talking about too. Like, don't look at it like you're trading a 150K account, because you're not. You only have 4,500. So look at it like you're just trading a $4,500 account and risk accordingly to that drawdown that you have. But
yeah, I
that
like
was
that
another
too.
good point.
Like treating whatever account you're using, treat it like the one below. At least the one below. So if you're using 150K, maybe use the rules of the 100K. That way it kind of keeps you safe a little longer, right? So yeah, that was a good point. Yo, what up, the Prather Trader? Man, shout out to the Prather Trader. This guy he's acquiring so much knowledge and wisdom. Like, just check this out. I don't even think anyone else is in the notification at this point. Where's the notification? Come on, dog. Come on. Who do you think is going to win long term? Look at this man. This man's hungry, bro. 10 hours ago, 14 hours ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago. These are like 3-hour live streams. All right, look at this. It don't stop with this guy. Relentless. Oh. These are the guys I like hanging out with. Look at this.
Yeah.
Going back, watching old
trader.
streams. I'm telling you. These are what winners do. These are signs of winners.
Oh, man,
bro.
what's up, the Prather Trader? Good job, bro. Man's a killer.
The Prather Trader was at the meetup and all that. We're going to be dropping a video, dropping some content on the meetup. Watch the whole thing, man. That's amazing, dude. I used to, no lie, bro, I used to do that all the time with Raja's live streams. I would just go back, and if I was eating dinner that night or hanging out, like, I would just have one ear with Raja's stream, and the other ear, you know, like just hanging.
Listening to the wife.
Separation, baby. Yeah, my wife was like, "Do your thing, you know, watch him." She said, "How much money did he make in that last trade? Watch him." That brother starving. That's right, man. It's good to be starving.
Get hungry.
By the way, gang, if you guys are looking to enter into the $50,000 challenge account giveaway, 25 challenge account giveaway, go to my Instagram. It's Nick Stewart with an underscore. Comment on this most recent post and leave a like, because we check to see if your comment also has a like, and that makes the winner. So you got to like it and comment. Yeah, how many we got? 197, 106. All right, not a bad ratio. Yeah, if you didn't like it, just make sure to like it too. Because TK be finding all that stuff. He be finding it all. TK's the mad scientist. Do that with the webinars? Yeah, mad smart, dude. Mad smart. Yeah, Raja is awesome. You know, look at right here. You know, I'm in his Discord and all that. So I'm a student before anything. Student before anything. I probably don't watch I definitely don't watch as much as I used to, but still go in there from time to time. How is Raja so pro in gold? Well, he's been trading gold for a very long time. Mr. BTC in the house. W, brother, what up? Oh, the Vikings here. Magnus, how you doing? How you doing?
Viking, what's up, Magnus?
The Viking.
Heard you were having some pasta in the London session.
Hey, chat. We all know Magnus now during the London session, the London stream. That boy's active. Him, George, John. Who else? Who else been there? Rafi's been there the last couple days. But I think it's time that we what's it called? Moderate Mr. Viking over here. So we don't want anyone coming in trying to say they're the Viking and they're not. So we got to make it official here, Magnus. Mr. New Mod earns it. He earns it.
Damn.
Just like that. Boom.
Definitely.
Boom.
Here we go.
Bro made 30,000 on gold. I know. He's a beast. He's also has a lot of experience. Keep in mind, right? He's been trading through a few elections now. So he's very good at tracking data and understanding what he's learned in the past and how to use it for the future. The biggest thing I learned from Raja was how to hunt during times of volume with clean traffic to the left after waiting for candles to close. Everything about my success in trading has mainly come from Raja's inputs. Oh, there's Magnus with the wrenchy. All right, W. Gotta wrench him. Gotta wrench him.
W.
W, brother.
I couldn't see his name just in here with no wrench.
Yeah, nah. Can't do that.
You never know, man. You never know. They be coming here trying to say they're Magnus, you know? I'm the Viking, but they say pasta. They don't say pasta. So we already know that that's not the Viking. How you gonna say you're the Viking and call it pasta? They don't make Italian Vikings, do they? All right, we got 3 minutes here for 9:30. Very interesting price action here.
Gold is trolling now.
How much percentage did I gain this year? That's a good question, man. I've had like 4 accounts this year. So I've had a couple funded accounts, couple my live account. I'd have to really dive in and take a look. I lost my money. Please help in recovery. We're here, brother. We're here for you. We're here for you. Breathe. Psst. 2, 3, hold. Psst. Come on, bro. Come on. Come back alive. 3, 2, 1. Psst. You got this, brother. You got this. Just stay with us. Stay with us. London session trade. London trade was right here. So you had the fade. You also had the. I got in on the fade. Also got in on the break of the current candle low here, and then you had another opportunity, which was that celery play there to add. This one was a little tougher because you're a little bit further down, but it was certainly a high. You know, looking back, it was definitely a good position. How come I don't trade Forex? So I honestly I still consider myself trading like nothing's really changed, right? Just I switched over to futures simply because I wanted to put my own money in a regulated broker. So that was the first reason, and I also didn't want to have to play at the mercy of sells and slippage and all that going on with these Forex brokers. So those are my main reasons to go to futures. Yeah, so the only thing, there's not much, nothing is different when it comes to the strategy. Forex futures, same exact strategy, just different price points. That's it. All right, so 30 closure coming up, man, but there's really no signs of any A+ setup going on here, so. We definitely have some volume coming in, though. That's for sure. Just a mess. Yep. Hope you're in on the crypto bull run. Nobody knows nothing, Travis. What's up, Trav? How you feeling? Who's in on the bull run? Lock it up, boys. Yeah, you're about to start hearing about Bitcoin everywhere, so just wait on it. Same thing happened in 2020. It's all predictable. Yesterday volume? Yeah, yesterday's volume was pretty crazy, but there was really no solid doorway in. Maybe right here. But even there was a bit choppy. Yeah, but you know, there was no top wicks, no bottom wicks, no top wicks, no top wicks. So days like that get a bit, that's why I stay away from bank holidays, because you're either gonna move like crazy without really any opportunities to get in, or you're gonna consolidate all day. So I tend to take those days off. What about sells? Yeah, sells are valid if we break these lows, and probably we need to close below here. Yeah, sells aren't too bad here. It's just very choppy. Very choppy. 30-minute close bullish, 1 hour close bullish, 4 hours pretty bullish, right? So to take the sell here on not even a good confirmation just doesn't make sense for me. But I think closures back below look pretty good. Closures like this. Bam. Meme coin season. Strap in, boys. Where's all the degens at? How's the new office? I'm still putting it together, but so far so good. I'm standing up now, which is pretty cool. So I don't have to always be sitting. It's meme season, baby. Let's go, Mike. Go. Yeah, man, it's been a wild year. To think that that's only been like a year ago is insane. Because how much have we done? Like, I feel like that was like a decade ago. Oh, are you talking about Bitcoin? Yeah. Don't worry about it then. Leave the Bitcoin to your children. Just forget it's there.
Yo, damn, Miko. What's up, bro?
The boy.
Yeah, never give up. Yeah, nice, Miko. I was just gonna say that, bro. I was gonna say maybe you should get with a futures firm. You won't get denied there.
Choppy
Yeah,
chop.
but beautiful, bro. Way to keep going. Way to keep going.
Would I recommend day trading BTC? I never tried. I never tried actually day trading it. So I'm not too sure. I only watch Bitcoin on like the higher time frames. Very rarely do I look at like I come down to gold here, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30. I never do that for Bitcoin. Oh. Yes, trying to make its way up. Same thing with NASDAQ here. Not much volume here at 9:30 yet. Oh, 25Ks are on the way. Oh. All right, TK. He's just handing them out. If you guys want to participate in the 25K challenge account and 50K challenge account giveaway, tap into this post, leave a like, leave a comment, answer the question in the post, and we're going to pick some winners here tomorrow. 50Ks and 25Ks loading up. Who could use a 50K? Anyone? I could use a 50K. I would highly recommend this. A great interview done on ASFX's page, my buddy Austin. Highly recommend this one. Great interview. Really good.
Thanks.
On my IG, yeah. So this is my IG right here. How do giveaways work? How much of the profits do you keep? You will keep like 80 to 90% of the profits. Link, IG link, right here. ASFX owner, very odd guy. Not. How come? How come you say that? I'm curious. This one? Him? I'm curious though. How come? Let's enter buys on gold. Go right ahead, brother. Go right ahead. I'll enter with you on my practice account here. Here we go. Buy. One lot buy practice account. Alright, I'm in with you, dog. I'm in with you. Let's do it. Amir, what's goody? Good to have you back, man. Good to have you back. Yeah, it's the first post. The most recent one. This one right here. The most recent post. By the way, shout out to everyone in the squad, man. I mean, come on. Like, I mean, this is just obviously some of the post, right? This is just some of the recent ones. So, big W to all you guys out here just making moves. Making moves, man. Yeah, big W. I'm gonna have a lot of rich friends, which is always nice. Ayush, what's up, brother? How you doing? Ayush, how we feeling, bro? How's business? How's your stuff outside of trading going? Oh, yeah. Do you think he interrupts his guest a lot? Everyone thinks he interrupts his guests way too much. What do you guys think? He's do I use any indicators like RSI? No, I don't. Nah. I've learned about all of that stuff early on in my journey, but I don't use it anymore. I probably used it for like the first month in 2019. Yeah, brother. Had to switch it up a little bit. So always like a little change. I also got a third monitor here now too. So I got 3 monitors. I got a nice stand-up desk, adjustable desk, a nice little treadmill. So we moving. Good, brother. Good. Happy to hear that, man. Can we go for sells? Not yet. But if we get a closure below here, I'm down. Oh, TK, yeah, I got to tell you about the other monitors, bro. I also don't have my lights in right now either, so I got to put those up today. So if I seem a little shadowy. What do I use for volume? I use the time. So I use the time on the clock. So typically I know when the volume's coming in based off of session opens and things of that nature. So, and just from showing up every day. So I like to look at the time and have that indicate volume for me. Yeah, so typically around this time you will see volume, but nothing here today. Oh. All right, we got an update on the competition here. So we'll get it in the Discord in just a minute. Who's doing good in the comp? All right, TK. Johnny Gems, what the vibe today, man?
Everything, bro.
It's beautiful out, dude. I mean, does it get any better than this?
Right? Yeah, nah, man. Gonna enjoy the clubhouse and then enjoy this Florida weather. That's the vibes.
Clubhouse
Maybe
should be
we'll
a
go for a
vibe
walk.
here today.
Yeah, I think so.
If you guys aren't in the clubhouse and you want to really take your trading to the next level, get involved in the clubhouse. If you do this thing right, I mean, you should be, unless you actually just want to stay, which we always love to have you, but man, you should be able to learn the skill set and move on, you know, within 4 months or so. So if you want to take your trading to the next level and really get a good idea and a good read on price via candlesticks, then jump on in. We I think every day is a mini webinar in the clubhouse. I think we have 3 webinars a day.
Sure. Yeah, nah. Clubhouse is lit. We'll be here in the clubhouse talking great, dropping gems, taking good trades, going over good questions, reviewing trades, and it's gonna be fun.
Come gem hunting.
Come gem hunting. There's gonna be a lot. We're gonna be in the clubhouse till 1 or 2. There's gonna be a lot of opportunity as well to take some trades and to learn. So
I might also be dropping
get
my secret crypto strategy too.
Bet
See,
we'll get
Melly,
Nick's secret crypto strategy.
today's my mentor's birthday, so you know we gotta hit on this one.
Oh yeah,
Gotta drop gems for Mr. V.
we'll do it in his name.
Mr. V's name. Can you check
What's up,
my
C.
trade
Melly,
in
my bro?
Discord? Yeah, for sure.
Mr. W, you mean?
Mr. W. Which one, brother? What's your username? Mark? Is it Mark or? I don't see it.
Yo, less than highly favored C. Melly, grateful to be here, bro.
Blessed and highly favored. Someone in here's on like 5 shots of whiskey already. They said every time we say blessed and highly favored, they're taking a shot of whiskey.
Blessed and highly favored.
Dude, slumped right now.
How am I doing? Blessed and highly favored.
I'm doing well.
I'm doing well.
Yeah, I think this webinar
Drinking game.
this week just went so ham. Where are the webinars here? Let me see some. Should we give a sneak peek? Should we run a 5-second clip? Nah. Nah, this one was insane. Winning habits versus losing habits.
Yeah.
What's up, Trader A45 in the building? Chola, yeah, man. I'm getting it all ready for when you come over and stay. You can stay in my place instead of staying at John's. I don't want you lonely over there. Hanging out with brother
bro, I
Joe,
can't
eating
stay.
crumble cookie.
Can't stay here.
So you can
course
stay
you
in
can,
his
bro.
house, but he can't stay in yours? I was about to be like, what?
I'm just kidding. That's why I said, of course you can, bro.
He's TT family, bro. He can stay wherever.
Family, bro. Of course.
Wow, 930's a dud here, gang.
Yeah, bro. What the hell?
Okay, here we go. The competition update leaderboard is in. Let's take a look. Time to Eat sitting at #1 spot. And what do you know, an elite member, of course. Congratulations, my friend. Big W up 32%. We don't play games in the elite program. We don't play the games over there. W. I know a lot of you guys are asking me when I'm going to open up the elite program. Maybe, I don't know. I said I was going to do it this month, but I've just been having so much fun in the clubhouse and so much fun working with the current elite members that continue to re-up their membership. So I don't know. Maybe December. We'll see. If not December, in January. Yeah, brother. Way to go, man. Sitting at the top of the list here. Beautiful, Jonathan. Yeah, top one's got like a lot of traders in here. But yeah, ASFX. Suleiman. Suleiman's not ASFX, is he? Let's go. BuzzBlab seems to find his way at the top of every list. Congratulations, man. Big W. Way to be consistent.
Good job, BuzzBlab. Thanks, silly man.
Yeah. Okay, see Melly. Okay, I will.
Oh, see Mel, you're reading? One good trade? Yeah, I gotta give that a read as well.
Yeah, elite members continue to flourish here, man. So proud of these guys and girls. But yeah, just a dud here at 9:30. Nothing too crazy happening. #2 on TT. Let's get it. Hey, let's go. Hold on, where'd that go? #2. Oh, okay. That's you? All right. W. Jora FX. My man Alex NG in the building. What up, bro? Freaking legend. Absolute legend right there. Flies
Good,
from
Alex.
California all the way to Tampa, Florida, just to hang out with TTE. Holy
Yeah, bro. Man's a beast.
legend. Video dropping soon, gang. Video dropping soon. NAS moving up. Yeah. Figured that. Oh, nothing too crazy though. I thought we were going to be up here. By the way, we'll typically get a big move here on ES as well when it comes to 9:30 here. So we got 7 minutes left on the 30 closure. If we get this closure above, you know, we might have a move here. And then Goldie is, yeah, just maybe sells are coming in. We'll see. We've been very patient here with gold today.
Gold's a little tricky.
Already caught a big move on gold. There's no reason to force anything. First trading day back in the markets after a big bank holiday, after a crazy week. We have so much volume coming in this week. We got CPI coming in tomorrow. We got PPI coming in the day after that. I mean, there's no reason to try and do anything crazy here, right? 8:30 on Friday, we got retail sales, so there'll be plenty of golden opportunities this week that'll be presented to us. It's just, will you still have your capital? Or are you gonna blow it away here today, messing around in this lovely range here that's just calling for your money? Give me your money. How many traders are in the current comp? I think there's a lot, like over 1,000. Thank you, TK. Thank you for sharing those. Shout out to TK. Does more than you guys know. He holds it down out here for TT.
The myth, the legend, brother.
Oh my God, I said about 1,000. There's 2,100 traders, almost 2,200 traders in the competition. Holy. Man. 22 hundo. Next competition, we're talking about private jets, gang. Just wait on it.
Wait on it.
Yeah, we'll have plenty of opportunities this week. Plenty. Yeah, sells if the 1 hour close is bearish. Yeah, I like it. I like sells here, depending on how we close. My 4 hour is also about to close here too, so we got 5 minutes for everything. Let me check on my wife, see if she needs me for anything, and I'll be back in 2 or 3 minutes. BRB.
Yeah, we got the 4 hour candle closing bull, but you're gonna need a bottom wick on that new candle. Daily's bearish. We get 30-minute, 15-minute breakouts below support. Those are clues, signs that we could come down here. Let me push us. We at? What's up, Daniel? Yo, today we're doing pull-ups, and I'm at 60 pull-ups right now. So I'll be cranking them out throughout this day. Yeah, I want to get between 100 to 200, so that's the goal. But yeah, we're doing pull-ups here today, trying to switch it up. Yeah. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, all that fun stuff. Looking to eat super clean, high protein diet here, and yeah, trying to get shredded.
You see my guy's working his mental discipline.
Oh hell yeah, dude. That's the best type of mental discipline for me personally, is not eating junk, like being able to not eat that stuff and just staying disciplined to the high protein meals.
Also, you know, your portions. How much are you eating? You know, that's another side, because I mean, if you like, yeah, it's a good salad and you have a massive salad, you know, it's like, do you need that much?
Yeah, nah. I really love the 1 meal a day. Like that just kind of fits good for me. So I've kind of just put more protein in that meal and made it a little bit bigger than what it is. But yeah, that's what I'm doing pretty much. Yeah. $60, yeah, nah. Trying to hit more though. So there's a lot of time left here today. It's only 10 a.m. for me. Those Neop Rajadas. Which one's that? I don't think I've seen that.
Ups like Raja. Yeah.
How was that? What's up, Grisel? How was I able to do 1 meal a day? Nah, yeah, you gotta start small. Like, you know, I didn't just cold blood or turkey just jump right into 1 meal a day. It was something you had to, you know, work to. So yeah, it started off with, I used to do 3 meals, then 2 meals, and then I went to 1 meal. And then during that process, I mean, you gotta, it's like building a new habit. You gotta get comfortable with the uncomfortable. So, I mean, I was still uncomfortable at times when I was doing 1 meal a day, but you know, as I continued to do it and be consistent with it, it just kind of felt like the new normal, and my body adjusted. And yes, so how did I crave the empty stomach when I was fasting? So there would be times where you know, I had a couple hours left of fasting and I was getting hungry. The stomach was empty, and the hack here is gonna be warm water. You have to chug 1 warm bottle of water every time you get super hungry during your fast, and that will help you. It will help you continue to fast, and it will also help you. What's the word I'm looking for? It will help you get more water in as well. Yeah.
Make sure it's tap water though, right?
No, don't drink tap water.
Be a
drink
man.
spring water.
Be a man and drink some tap water. Some tap water.
Do I have visible abs, Nick? I don't know. Do I?
Yeah, I think so. Depends on the day, right?
I haven't. I don't take my shirt off from Nick, so he wouldn't know.
Oh, King Man's wilding.
I can actually show you guys my before and after. It's actually crazy.
How does that massage gun work? It works. Very good. Very, very good.
Close with no
Let's
bottom.
see, can we rip a couple questions like this? Can you have Celtic sea salt? I eat air like SpongeBob. Dope. Can you take salt while fasting? Of course, of course, of course. Eagle Force.
Nah, Harry. Harry, I'm like 150, 160.
Eagle 4000 loading. Oh, I can't even hit my legs, man. My legs are too sore. Anyways, back to professionalism. Sorry. Eagle 4000 came out there. During high noon. Hey, Maverick, what's up, buddy?
Sorry. Yo, where can I send this picture? Can I show it to you guys here?
Fitness section, bro.
I want
Fitness
you guys
channel.
have my picks.
Fitness channel in Discord.
Fitness channel? Alright, let's do it.
Yeah, we're gonna pick a winner too from last night. See who walked the most today.
Oh yeah, that's what you were talking about this morning.
Yeah.
Check.
For those of you guys that just arrived, we're doing a giveaway. We got 25K challenge accounts and 50K challenge accounts that we're trying to bless up with. So all you got to do is like and comment on this post right here. That's it. Simple. Simple, simple. And then we're going to pick winners tomorrow. All right, so 1 hour candle closed here, right? Yeah, 1 hour candle closed. 30 closure here as well. So 15 close with no wick there. That's a bit annoying. 4 hour open. So just be careful here, right? Because this 4 hour candle could just be making a low to push up and fill the wick. So we have a different story on our hand now, because before we didn't have a bullish 4 hour candle, and now we do, right? So that switches things up here throughout the second half of the session here today, right? Because now the daily is rejecting, pulling back. The 4 hour has closed bullish, right? Engulfing the previous 4 hour candle. 1 hour is not looking the hottest. 30 minutes okay. But we don't want to jump too quickly, especially without that that wick there on the 15 on these cells here, right? You have a support sitting here too. So let's see how we react. I do like potential buys now, right? Now that our 4 hour closed bullish. So if we get something like this, maybe a nice rejection to the downside, then we have potential buys moving up here now that we have a 4 hour bullish closure. So things switch up a little bit now. If you ain't sore, yeah, facts. Facts. Nah, Dominic, stop. Stop. Do it anyway. Damn, no way. Yeah, so the 4 hour candle, if you break the highs here, you got about like what, 120 pip move up, 60 pip wick fill. So we'll see.
Oh damn, that 30 minute was actually clean.
The 30 wasn't bad, and neither was the 1 hour. I don't know when that happened, like 6 minutes ago. What kind of info? So look, before we were still bearish on the 4 hour. So now that we got a 4 hour close, that's the information that I've been given, right? So this candle here now could be coming down here to make a bottom wick to break the highs to move up. Let's also keep in mind that if we look at the daily time frame, the daily candle also never closed below support here, right? That previous daily candle. So we're also, you know, obviously rejecting the lows here. So will we pull back, right? That's the question here today. Will we pull back? Will we close weak? How are we going to close on the daily? So we'll see what happens with this daily candle. But as of right now, we are, you know, starting to reject, and that what that rejection is here is a 4 hour engulfing candle, right? This is your rejection right here on the daily. So we need to look into that now, right? So now if the 4 hour closes bullish, you know, our bias switches up a little bit here. So I would much rather see price come tap into the zone, wick off of it, and close very weak, right? Somewhere over here on the next 15, and then potentially catch this 4 hour beginning to move up here. Yeah, maybe if the 15 had a wick or something, but nothing.
Yeah, 15 looked like it had no bottom wick.
Could it be a continuation for price to move down? Yeah, absolutely. That's what I was looking for, right? Up until this 4-hour close is strong, bullish now. So again, that begins to switch the bias up a little bit to encourage me to look for longs a little bit more, depending on how we begin to react here. Nice, J Coop. Nice, nice. Let's take a look at ES. Oh, wow. Yeah, straight down. Look at that. Damn. Sheesh. Let's check the EYES. Four-hour candle, yeah. It probably closed an hour ago. So you probably got, what, 3 hours left on yours? I would assume. Yeah, you know what? Let's clean up the charts. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis here real quick, and that way we get a good idea of where price is. So keep in mind what we were just talking about here, about this daily candle closure, right at support here. And we're kind of just moving down, but we're beginning to reject, right? Now that rejection that I have highlighted there, again, is the 4-hour candle pushing bullish here over the last 4 hours, right? So now we have an official closure. If we look left, we want to see, well, where did we close at? Well, it looks like we closed right near this previous support. See that? Below that, there was super clean range, but it looks like we closed right at it. So we closed right at support there. We engulfed the previous 4-hour candle, right? My bad. Breaking its high. And now you have this candle currently making a low to potentially break the high and begin to shoot up here. Now, let's see what the 1-hour candle's looking like. So 1-hour time frame has some level here, right? Some sort of a range here that we're trying to see if we can maybe stay above. Let's look at the 30-minute again. 30-minute has that same exact range, whether you want to play the top of it or the bottom of it. Either way is fine. You fill that wick there, so we'll see what happens next. But overall, if we're going to move bullish here, right, there's most likely going to be some sort of a fake out or wick rejection here to establish that 4-hour bottom wick, right? Because right now our 4-hour candles look like this. So we have this candle, and then we have this candle. Oh, let me make it blue or green, whatever. Boom, this candle here. And now we have the new candle. So this move down is most likely this candle making a bottom wick for it to flip up, right? If we look at the 4-hour, this is what we're looking at, right? Something like that. Now look how we're rejecting to that zone, right? Right off of that same exact 15-minute support. And that right there, my friends, may just be the 4 hours bottom wick. Right here. That could be this bottom wick, and then price could be ready to move up. So let's see. Let's see. We still got to wait for some confirmation, but other than that, we're right on price action here. Potentially like inverted celery on the 15, potentially. Especially after closing with no bottom wick here. right? And then rejecting off of here, 4 hour being bullish, break of the 4 hour highs, potential move up. Daily rejection, potential daily closure, back above the range over here. And that's how it's all broken down on the lower time frames. Right, if we come back, we flip bullish. We'll see. Copper moves like gold. Ooh, copper. My office looks different. It's different. Everybody who joined the clubhouse last week, you all should all have your challenge accounts by now, I believe, for the most part. So check your emails if you haven't seen it yet. Should be good to go. My bookshelf, I know. Alright, W, all accounts have been sent. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm going to have a buy stop here if we get a lower wick. So I want to see a bit of a attempt to kind of come down here, and then I'm going to have a buy stop on the break of the highs here. Break of 30 highs, break of 1 hour highs, break of 4 hour highs. No wick at the bottom here, so yeah. Stops are going to be current candle lows. That's why we want to see this candle at least kind of come down and make a low, the new candle. I'm about to turn the treadmill up, start sprinting throughout this trade. Yeah, so what you can do too is you can say, okay, well maybe if we get a decent top wick here, right, and then we come down, right, and we start to attempt to fill, start to attempt to fill this wick here, right, we come down into these ranges here, then you can potentially have the buy stop on the break of the current high, right, or you can leave it on the break of the previous high. Completely up to you. Which prop firm should you use? I would use either Top 1 for CFD accounts or Top Step for futures. I do want to see a lower wick here. What time do I trade every day? What time don't I trade? So we trade in the clubhouse, Asian session, London and New York session, but here on YouTube I trade Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern till whenever. Unless you have like a bank holiday or something, we're usually here.
Yo, when does our gold chart roll over?
I don't know, cause Top Step will do it for us, but
I'm talking about trade over.
I gotta look.
Chat, anyone know?
It'll start to get really spotty on the chart too.
I feel like it's been a while though now, and I haven't changed it.
Yeah, it has been.
December one.
December, I think, was the last. Yeah, I think that December is the last time for the year.
All right. Thanks, Juan.
So what are stops looking like here? 33 pips. Yeah, I would like to see a little bit of a deeper push here to the downside, some sort of attempt to fill that wick, and then it looks pretty good. Because a lot of traders, they're not really putting together the 4-hour thing here, that we're still bullish, right? So they're going to be entering sells in this wick fill area here. So we want those sellers to get activated. Copper is good in London? Oh, I think everything's good in London, man. London's beautiful. You got so much volume, no news. It's amazing. I also use Trade of 8. Yeah, nice Juan. Look forward to seeing you this weekend, bro. Doing a little golfing this weekend. Haven't been golfing since the TT meetup. Ready to go, ready to go. Rafi, you golf?
Like a baseball player.
You got to get out there, man.
Yeah.
We got to
I
get
do.
you out there swinging for the fences.
Let me get back into the US, bro. We'll make that happen.
Yeah. I'm down. Swing, bada. Already took 2 W's today. Let's go. Let's get it. Good work. Yeah, no reason for you to trade. I took yeah, I'm green on the day, but I'm still open for another trade here. Just got to get what we want. Just got to get what we want. All right, will we attempt the wick fill? There we go. Awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop here. Buy stop, break of the highs. We break those highs now, we should be good. Probably like 25 to 30 pip stops, depending on where this candle goes. If we don't turn and start moving here in the next couple minutes, then I'll just delete it and I'll wait for the 30 closure. Why can't we be in a trade yet? So in trading, you have something called an edge and a strategy and a system and confirmation and confluence and things of that nature. So what they are is they are opportunities for you to spot in the market where you have increased odds in your favor, aka a probability to work for you. So until that probability shows up, the professional trader just waits for it. The rookie trader tends to try and get in and out while waiting for the trade, and that will usually end up in losses, over trading, over risking, greed, revenge trading, things of that type of stuff. But once you settle down and you understand the probability game, you begin to play your edge. Your edge shows up, you know, here and there. When it does, you execute. When it doesn't, you just gotta wait. So currently right now, there isn't much edge outside of this potential move up on the 4 hour. So that's what we're waiting on. Yep. And if this doesn't line up here, then we wait on the 30 and just continue to wait. Is pre-London good too? Yeah, pre-London's nice. Yeah, pre-London, you got gold with a lot of volume, whether it be pre-London or London Open. I think both have pretty good volume. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, stops may be getting a little too steep here. Let's take a look. 40, still not too bad, but what brand are these? These are called Gunner blue lights. Gunner. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this for now. We'll see how the 30 closes. Yeah, pre-London's actually really good. Really good. Johnny Gems, what's the word for this afternoon, man? What we doing?
We're gonna follow our plan, bro.
What we doing?
But after the clubhouse, I don't know. I'm gonna go get a haircut and then I'm down to do whatever. Wanna golf?
Nah, no golf for me today.
Bro? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, Chad, I'm about to cut all my hair off. It's time.
No way. What kind of haircut are you gonna get?
I don't know. We'll see.
Oh, shoot.
Maybe a little fade.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going with the fade. Or should I go bald now?
Johnny Gems going with the fade. You know what that means for Asian tonight.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I gotta look more professional. I look like I feel like nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna talk. Giveaways are gonna be tomorrow. Yeah, so if you guys want a chance to win a $50,000 challenge account or a $25,000 challenge account, just go over to this post right here. Leave a comment, leave a like. Someone's gonna get a 50K, a few people actually, and a few people are gonna get 25Ks. All you gotta do is like and comment. Can't do one without the other either. It's like peanut butter and jelly. It's like John and Rafi. They just come, boom, right there together. funny.
It's like Magnus and pasta. Can't have one without the other.
Yeah, TK, definitely not gonna do supercuts, bro.
Supercuts.
I'd rather cut my hair myself.
King plays.
Hey,
I would say just keep showing up. Keep showing up here.
Yeah, Ricky, that's funny, bro.
It's the best thing you can do. You know, just show up every day, get consistent, get around some consistent traders, and then take your time in your growth. And then when you're ready, you go to the next levels. All right, let's see if the 4 hour will hold strong here. We got a 15 closure in, what, 1 minute? So could we get a closure back in the range, giving this 4 hour candle a bottom wick, and then potentially begin to move up for this afternoon? We'll see. We got no top wick here. We'll see what happens. If this candle closes with no wick at the bottom, that's going to be our first sign. I would really like to see if we can get down here before rejecting. So reject down there and then kind of look to move up from there. What components? So I look at higher time frame, 4 hour daily for direction, mainly the 4 hour. I have a playbook, so I have a couple patterns that I look for in the markets on the 15-30 minute that line up with the direction of the 4 hour daily. And I just use simple price action, ranges, and volume. That's it. Volume times, clean ranges. Just reading candles. Why buys? Because of the 4 hour closure. So the 4 hour close bullish, engulfing the previous one. Right, so yeah, we can move down, of course, but according to the 4 hour, we may be able to move back up here. So that's one of the reasons to be bearish. Yeah, so we did close with no bottom wick here. The other reason to be, bullish. The other reason that I'm semi-bullish here too is because, again, the daily candle has yet to close below the range. So we have support here. We never closed below. We haven't rebroken the daily lows since pre-New York. We've just been consolidating up in this range here. So yeah, that's another reason why I have some beliefs we can move bullish, is because, you know, you never know. You might plant support here with the rejection to the downside. So we'll see about that. But anyway, got a closure. So we'll see how this next candle closes. That'll kind of determine whether or not I stay on for a little bit longer or not. You guys got any questions though until that candle closes? Anything we can help you with? Anything we can help you get a better understanding on? Talk to me, man. Talk to me. We're in the candle business. Yeah, I am all in all, I am bearish on gold, right? But not for the next, I don't know, hour or two, right? Because that could be our bottom wick here, and then we could begin to move up. Overall, altogether, yes, I am bearish on gold. But we're talking about the next 30-minute candle, next hour candle here. Do I only trade gold? Yeah, I only trade gold. I'm looking to throw maybe one other pair in the mix, whether it be NASDAQ or S&P. Probably one of those. Alpha Capital? No, I never used them. Do I use candle patterns like Evening Star? Yeah, I think I just call them something differently. So an Evening Star, if I'm not mistaken, looks something like, kind of like this, right? Like right? And then a bearish one looks like this. I think, right? If I can remember right. So yeah, I use them all. I just probably call them something different now. Yeah, it's crazy. Like everyone kind of sees the market for what it is, but we all kind of call it something different or look at it in a different way. Whenever I'm attempting to impulse entry for a reversal, it goes wrong. So maybe you gotta check the higher time frame. Maybe you're going against the higher time frame bias when you're doing that. So that's definitely something to look into. Also, let's say you're going for an impulse entry on the previous candle low, but that low is like way down here, right? So by the time the candle gets there, it's pretty much done, right? It's already did its job. So that could be the case too, where you end up kind of pulling back like that. So if the low's all the way down there, just don't even take that trade or try and find an entry up here. Do I ever look at the Dow? Yeah, from time to time. So Camille, I would recommend checking out. So if you go to my YouTube channel, I know like this is only one video, but this video has so much in it. It's a 43 minute video, and it has a lot of good stuff in it. So I would start there. And then the live streams every day are going to be extremely helpful. What's the one thing that you would suggest to master candlestick pattern or support and resistance? No. Thyself. Thyself, my friend. The only thing you have to focus on mastering is thyself. And then you will begin to make smart decisions, not just in trading, but in all areas of life. So if you're going to master one thing, it would be thyself, or at least work towards it. Right? What's the Bible say? Know thyself. Remember, most of us don't even know who we are. We don't even talk to ourselves. And when we do, we say all this stupid stuff. I can't remember names. I suck at trading. I'm never going to be able to get this. No one likes me. All that stuff. So first and foremost, you got to know thyself, love thyself, and then begin to focus on the mission. Takes strategic decision making to become a multi-millionaire. So you're going to need it. And if you don't know thyself, it's going to be very tough. Yeah, exactly. A lot of us, we already know what to do. We know what to do, we know what to fix, we know what to adjust, but we don't do it. We're looking for another thing to do. Well, yeah, all that, but what else? There is nothing else, man. In most cases, there's nothing else. That's it. Right? But we always want to kind of throw that but word out there. But yeah. You know what you have to. You're thinking about it right now. What do you have to change in your trading?
Gotta do the work, bro.
You already thought of it. All right, what's the one thing you really need to make a move on and adjust? You already know what it is. You got it in your mind right now. So why go another day and be a slave to that and start owning it? That's dope. Yeah, you can learn a lot from the old timers. From the guys who have lost money and made money, you can learn a lot from them. Alright, I think I'm about to wrap this up though. Off to the clubhouse we go. Good session here. So just a bunch of volume just moving around. Only caught one trade, which was in London session here today, which was a beautiful trade. So that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. We'll see if we can catch something later on in the afternoon. But other than that, good day of hanging out, chilling, learning, and observing price here.
Yes, sir.
Johnny Gems, Rafi, it was great to have you back here.
Yeah, thank you
Hanging
for
out.
having me.
Thank you, bro.
brother.
Chilling.
Yep.
Yeah, I think we call it a
Thank you,
day.
Ross.
Keep in mind the giveaway is going to be tomorrow. So this is the picture. This is the post. Like, comment. We'll do the giveaways tomorrow. We got CPI coming in tomorrow as well. So it should be a very, very entertaining day. Unlike today, we really didn't have much of anything coming in here. So tomorrow should be pretty fun. Fireworks show at 8:30. Don't miss it. Oh yeah, by the way, I bought gold earlier, remember, with our boy, and yeah, brother. So that's why we don't want to buy gold randomly without confirmations and blah 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 and do all that stuff. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think that'll be it. I will continue to hunt here in the clubhouse, and I will see the rest of y'all tomorrow here, 7:15, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, all right? Johnny Gems, Rafi.
Sounds good.
Peace, boys. Chat.
Peace, boys.
Love
Peace,
y'all.
chat.
Peace out. Peace out, brothers. Peace out, family.
Peace, brother.
See you all tomorrow.
Later, dude. Later, chat. Blessings to you and your family. Do well, my friends. Do well. See you guys later.
Hey, God Twain.
Peace.
I'm doing well. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it. But I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing better than you could imagine. Picked up the book and I'm turning the chapter. Used to have Jeezy inside of the speakers and threw it away and replaced it with passes. Grandmama told me if you fill yourself up with garbage, it's probably what's gonna come out. I shrugged it off till I got a bit older, but now I know what she's talking about. I don't need a deal. God Twang may be the trademark, but the living God is who made the seal. Supernatural, no Copperfield. Downside with the back of fields. When you're coming from the bottom, you ain't even gotta worry about the mud. Cause you walk through it, check my heels. My God gon' order my steps. You see, he taught me this lesson. If the bait ain't working on your hook, you need to switch up the method. There's people dying every day, folks down and out with depression. Gotta be the light inside the dark place. Wake them up with the message. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it. But I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing everything that they said I couldn't, going everywhere that they said I wouldn't. My plate was empty till I met the Lord, then he filled it up cause he steady cooking. Defeated death and he gave me life. Killed the lust and gave me a wife. My heart was rotten, he cleaned it up, now I'm bare fruit, I'm truly right. Used to run around trying to ball, taking exits to elude the law. Locked down with no place to go, then he met me there and I got the call. Answer that, you gotta pick it up. I had an empty glass and he filled my cup. Pouring out to all the folks who need it, that's all you need cause this is enough. Open it daily, gotta get your portion of bread. This world is sleeping on the truth, it's time to hop out of bed. I get it, I was there as well, so I live out what I said. But judgment's coming and we can't make it right after we're dead. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it. But I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing.
Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes-Benz. Whoa, yeah, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in. Okay, drop a song and pop up on your phone like I was YouTube. Connected to the fans without a hand, I did it Bluetooth. The only time I come up short is when they watching YouTube. Spinning with the drill, no wonder why my screws loose. Taking off and I can't stop, I beat them all by landslide. Houdini, I popped out of that box even with hands tied. Big dog like Sandlot, but it's real life, no fantasize. Counting money a damn lie, my hands clean, no sanitize. Whoa, had to switch up on the flow, gotta keep them on their toes. I move quick, I make the most, why they copy what I wrote. Follow everything I post, never trip about a clone. Cause they know what's a sheep to a goat. Yeah. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I